Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about how to enable color inversion in Tecno mobile, and guys how can you use your color inversion setting. In this video I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, you will have to click on guys your phone setting to enable your color inversion. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting guys. Click on guys your special function setting guys. Tap here and guys again scroll, click on accessibility setting guys. So friends, you can see guys your accessibility setting and scroll it, and friends you can see your color inversion. Tap here to enable. And as you can see color inversion shortcuts, and as you can see color inversion and slide screen dark, and as you can see use color inversion. Tap here to enable it. So as your color inversion will enable, and guys after enable guys you can see your background will dark, and as you can see screen color will change. And friends, if you use your YouTube, so friends you can see this ghost setting like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable color inversion and how to use color inversion setting in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.